Hello student, this is our lecture on the problems related to kinetic theory of gases and radiation, and I will take the problems which are from unsolved exercise from the Maharashtra State Board book. So there is a problem number 11 in this exercise. Calculate the ratio of mean square speed of molecule of gas at 30 Kelvin and 120 Kelvin. So two different temperatures are given to you and we have to find out the ratio of mean square speed of molecule. So mean square speed, we know that formula is C square 3RT by M. C square 3RT by M. This is the formula, and it is given that the temperature is at 30 Kelvin and 120 Kelvin. So there will be naturally the C square will be depends on temperature only. So this will be constant. 3R by M will be constant. So what do we get? C square directly proportional to T. So for first case I will represent here 1 equation 1. Then second case C2 square directly proportional to T. Taking ratio C1 square upon C2 square, that is the required result. हा आपल्याला find out करायचा आहे. C1 square upon C2 square is equal to T1 upon T2. T1 30 divided by 120. Sometimes this temperature it is mentioned in degree Celsius. So when it is in degree Celsius, suppose 27 degree Celsius. So we have to convert it into Kelvin. So we have to add 273. It becomes 300 Kelvin. But in this problem it is not needed. So directly temperature is given in Kelvin. Take ratio 1:4. This is your answer. Hello student, this is problem number 12 from unsolved exercise chapter kinetic theory of gases and radiation. So in this problem it is given to you that two vessels A and B. I will read this problem. Two vessels A and B are filled with same gas where volume, temperature and pressure, these are the three variables. Volume, temperature and pressure in vessel A is twice the volume, temperature and pressure in vessel B. Suppose this is vessel A and this is vessel B, and same gas is filled in it. So what is the relation between thermodynamic variables? Pressure, volume, temperature, these are called as thermodynamic variable. So it is given you that volume of vessel A is 2 times volume of vessel B. Then pressure of vessel A is 2 times pressure in vessel B. Then temperature of vessel A is 2 times temperature in vessel B. So these are the relations given to you. Calculate the ratio of number of molecule of gas in vessel A to that in vessel B. So suppose Na number of molecules of gas present in vessel A and Nb number of molecules of gas present in vessel B. तर आपल्याला इथे फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे Na upon Nb. This is the required result. Na upon Nb. So how one can find out? Use ideal gas equation. PV is equal to nRT. As N we can consider 1 mole. Suppose N is 1 mole. So what do we get? PV is equal to RT. बरोबर है? Now this R is gas constant, and we know that this R is nothing but it is ratio of Avogadro's number to Boltzmann constant. Avogadro's number to Boltzmann constant. म्हणजे या R ला आपल्याला असं रिप्रेझेंट करता येईल Na, it is Avogadro's number, upon Kb, Boltzmann constant. Don't confuse here Na and Na. These are two different values. Na means number of molecules which are present in vessel A, and here Na is Avogadro's number, 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. So what do we get? Suppose for vessel A, what will be the equation now? Instead of R, I will write down here Na upon Kb into T. So for vessel A, this equation becomes Pa Va for vessel A, Na Kb Ta. Kb is Boltzmann constant, not represent vessel B. Equation 1. For vessel B, what we get? Pb, Vb, again Na, because Na is not representing the number of molecules, it represents Avogadro's number. Then Kb, Tb. So this is equation 2. So what do we get? Sorry, here Nb. Divide equation 1 by 2. What do we get? Pa Va upon Pb Vb. Kb cancel. We get Na upon Nb, Ta upon Tb. Now this is the required result. Na upon Nb. Number of molecules in vessel A to the number of molecules in vessel B. हा आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. सो फॉर दॅट पर्पज शिफ्ट दिस टर्म, याला आपण इकडे आणूया. व्हॉट वी गेट? Na अपॉन Nb, Pa Va, Pb Vb into Tb upon Ta. Now simply substitute value of Pa, Va and Ta from the given relation. Pa 2 times Pb, here we get 2. Va upon Vb, again 2, and Tb upon Ta 1 by 2. 2 cancel, we get ratio 2:1. This is problem number 13 from unsolved exercise. Chapter is Kinetic Theory of Gases and Radiation. Book is Maharashtra State Board book. So read this problem. A gas in a cylinder is at pressure P. If masses of all molecules are made 1/3 of their original value and their speeds are double, find the resultant pressure. So according to kinetic theory of gases, we know that P is nothing but 1/3 rho CRMS square. Very famous relation. यातला टर्म ही माहित पाहिजे आपल्याला. What is P? Pressure. Rho density. And CRMS means RMS velocity of molecules. RMS square. So we can represent this density as mass upon volume. Now see, in this problem it is given to you that the masses of all molecules are made 1/3, means mass is changed, and their speeds are double. That means condition is changed. So I will represent two condition, different condition, and this pressure, according to this problem, this pressure will depends on only two parameter. One is mass of the molecules and other is RMS velocity, speed. So we can write P is directly proportional to 1 by 3 V, it remains constant, so there will be no change. The changing factors are mass and RMS velocity. So for first condition it becomes P1 m1 c1 square, equation 1. For second condition P2 directly proportional to m2 c2 square. Divide equation 1 by 2. First pressure is P, second pressure we have to find out, is equal to m1 upon m2. And what is the relation m1 between m1 and m2? The masses of all molecules are made 1/3, means in second time the masses becomes 1/3 of initial value, and their speeds are double, that means C2 is equal to 2 times C1. These are the two relations given in the problem. So here C1 square upon C2 square. So m1 upon m2, it becomes 3, m1 upon m2 becomes 3, and C1 square upon C2 square, it becomes 1 by 4. So the final answer your becomes 3 by 4. So what will be P2? Means final pressure. P2 is equal to 4 by 3 P. This is your required result.